Hello everyone. Today with a new assignment on the automation part. So we have received a request to complete an assignment in terms of extracting um, information from LinkedIn using Apify. Apify. So Apify is something tool extraction. Data extraction tool. So which is helpful to extract the information from LinkedIn, TikTok or Instagram, any kind of a social platform. If it is available, you can extract that information. So here, what you see is the flow which will help you to input the data of the respective uh, person, and it will extract it and save the data in Google Sheet as well as in Supabase. Supabase is something a database which is available. You can use it to save the data in terms of uh, certain restriction you do have. For even for Amplify, you have certain restriction. Only $5 is available per day. Superbase only till certain limit you can store the data. So and after storing the data, what this will do is it will merge and then it will send it across to email. So the extracted information you will get it via email. So these are the steps which is involved. In a short while, we can see the demo. So what I've done is I've created an Excel sheet, input data as Google sheet as an input data. The public identifier, first name, last name, your location, and then the person's location. So like this, you have certain set of informations which will be extracted from Apify and then it will stored in the Google sheet. Along with that, it will also store it in the Superbase. So same content. I've already tested, so you have certain data here. Should create an actor in the Apify. Apify, what will do is it will look for the respective person in the LinkedIn and extract the information, and then it will give it to you in the format you request. So based on this code, it will extract the information. So far, if you could see it here, I've run several times to test it to make sure the data which comes correctly or not. So I have used almost 18 cent. So the first node is your user form. See, I'm giving here as a user form. Reason being to test it one by one. So if you want to test it or if you want to extract the information in a bulk, say probably 100, 200 kind of a list of data, you can very well give a Google sheet and create a loop that will help you to generate the uh, line items or the loops across each and every details which you have. So, you say for example, if you have 100 plus full information which you want to extract it from the LinkedIn, so you can very well do that. So, let me execute the workflow. So, what it will do is it will open up and it will request you for LinkedIn URL, username, and user ID. So, service name is not required. So, what I can do is I've already extracted few, picked a few URLs. Let me grab this, enter it the URL box, and then give my name, email ID, and click submit. So as soon as I submit, so this will start, workflow will start running, and it will try to extract the information from Apify. It will map it in a way how we need it, and then it will send an email. So for email, let's check it out. If you have received any email. Before that, we can check it in our input data. So if you could see it here, so previously it was in the row 5. Now it is in the row 6. We have a data which is extracted NVIDIA founder information. Do have list of information and how it is extracted, what is the source and what is the email ID, and then at what time it was extracted. Let's check it out. I have not refreshed the San Superbase SQL. So let me refresh this. Take some time, actually. Okay, if you could see it, of course, we have row 13. The information is captured it correctly in the Supabase. I'm sure you are able to see it now. Yeah. These are the list of informations which we can extract it as per our requirement. You can use this for various information. Usually, we will have a certain errors when you try to pull images of the respective person or first name or second name if it is not available. So at that situation, it doesn't throws an error. It will leave it as a null value. So for example, you can see it here. So if this is not available, so it will give you as a null value. Let's check it out in the email. If you could see, yeah, we also received it in email in a format how we wanted as a readable, so in a very good format. We didn't give the service name, so service name is not available. So this is how you can customize it as per your requirement. You can extract the information from your from web source wherever you need it. These kind of automations we can build it with n8n, so that will be very useful. It will save you a lot of time if you need a set of database for any kind of your sales purpose or for your distribution purpose and any sort of things. So that's how this assignment works. So whatever is being assigned, it, we have given a set of instructions. So even a layman person can use this information and extract the information. But of course, there is certain challenges. I would say, for instance, if I want to give you an example, these credentials to map these credentials into the account. I'm using a local host. You can use it cloud version if you want a easier point of view. But I'm using a local host which is completely free. But of course, it comes with certain restrictions. So linking this is really a challenge. And moreover, I designed all this with the help of Claude. So it was not just simple task. So each and every requirement you have to give it. Initially, I will create a prompt as per my usability, and then I will give it to the Claude, and we will have certain interaction. And this will help us to create a tool. It was created after a lot of testing. It was not at a one shot go. I would say a lot of testing. It was created, and this is the final output. If you wish to create any automation for your business or for any repetitive task, you can reach out to me. We do automation service at nominal cost. Thanks for watching.